Hey shop owners, do you know what the net profit percentage is in your shop? Do you even know how to figure it out? Well, that's what we're going to talk about on today's video. Joe is what I would consider the average shop owner. His shop last year did $850,000 in business. He took home $100,000. Now, Joe works in the business and he also owns the business. So he has two sources of income. You're working in the business, so you deserve to get paid for it. So the first dollars that you take away from the shop are your salary dollars. I would say at a minimum, you should be paying yourself $1,000 a week. I think that's a pretty fair wage considering everything you do. Now, as I mentioned, there are two sources of income that Joe has. One is the salary that we just talked about. The other is the profits. After he pays whatever expenses that the business takes on, after everything is paid, whatever's left over is considered profits. Now, Joe took home $100,000 last year, so that means $48,000 of it was profits. So let's go ahead and look at the shop profit as a percentage. In this particular case, Joe's business is operating at a 5.6% net profit. Now, if you're wondering how we figured that out, let me go ahead and show you the calculation. Now, Joe took home $48,000 in profits. He had $850,000 in sales. So if you would like to do this exercise for yourself, figure out how much profit your business made last year and divide it into your total sales. And in this particular case, it came up as 0.056 or 5.6%. Now, this is a very important number, so if you're unclear about this, please go back, rewind the video, and watch this again so you're very clear on this. Hey, thanks for checking out the video. Now, if this is the kind of content you like, please do me a big favor and click that like button below and consider subscribing to the channel. It really helps out the algorithm and it helps get this video out to more and more shop owners that are looking to improve their business. And if you are looking for additional help to help your business succeed, go down in the description below. You'll find a few links for some helpful resources. Thanks for watching.